All right, we're going to work on the retriever now. So find these 4 pieces, and we're going to pull out this piece right here. This part has a rectangle cut into it. Put it in front of you so that this is oriented to the left. Okay. It's going to be really important that you do this properly. Otherwise, we could have a part that's made in reverse. So notches on your left. Okay. You're going to need 2 half-inch dowels. These are going to be more used for alignment, so they'll stick into these holes rather easily. Okay. And then what I want to do is just get some, I'm going to get some glue, and I'm going to actually put it right around the base of this dowel, and the same over here. And I'm going to have a damp cloth ready just in case I need it, but I'll put a little there and a little there. I'm just going to touch it in a few other spots just to get a little glue there. Okay. I'm not putting tons in. I'm going to grab the other piece that has the rectangle in it, okay, and that's going to get put on top of it. So you'll just have to kind of wiggle it around and make sure that it pushes down all the way. Okay. And then we're just going to repeat this with, don't have to go crazy with the glue, just a little bit there, a little bit there, and just a touch. Just a couple other spots here. Then we're going to grab the part that has the half moon cut into it. And notice how I'm hanging on. I'm hanging on here and here because I'm going to be pushing pressure down potentially, and I don't want to crack the piece. So I'm just kind of really using my fine motor skills with where my fingers are. So when I push, we're aligning. I'm just kind of pushing straight over the where the dowel's coming up. Okay. Now I see I goofed. I got a little glue there, and I shouldn't have put it there, but I wasn't thinking. So you can go ahead and fix mistakes. Just wipe it up. And again, don't worry that it's getting wet in there. That's okay. If this isn't wet enough, it's not going to do the job anyway. So you got to get it wet enough so that I can wipe it up. All right. Get a little more glue. Just a touch around the dowel area. And this time, a little dab here and there. Nothing crazy. And same thing. And then I'll just make sure that these are all pushed together. Okay. If you get any glue that's coming out of there, wipe it up. And it is pretty snug by itself, but just as a little added insurance, I am going to take some tape. And I am going to wrap it around right in here. And I'm going to do the same right over here. And oops, didn't go very well. Well, I'll be all right. There. I'm just going to let it set in there for like a half an hour and move on to the next part.